What is this? This is called a DanceBot. I got it sent over from Kickstarter. I'm very curious. I want to see how it works. So I wanted to show you hands-on first impressions. But what came in the box is the manual, micro USB cable, and a sticker. For the front side, we see the LED panel, most likely the eyes, and the power button. And the legs do rotate around. They have motors on them. And on the top portion, we have some arrows for left and right. And then that might be to play and pause. And the arms flaying around. I'm not sure if they're motorized. And the speaker is actually underneath. And on the butt side, is that his butt? Exit. That's the charging port. So I'm going to press and hold the power button here. Turns on. Whoa. Whoa, it's already dancing real quick. That speaker right away was actually really loud. Whoa, whoa. Let's turn him off. One. Let's turn him back on. Now it's time to go to pairing. Let's go into some music here. I just touched his top of his head. Okay, I'm impressed, and it is loud for sure. It is pretty cute. I mean, look at this thing. I can skip the song. Oh, he broke his ankles again. But this is definitely impressing me. I think kids are gonna absolutely love it.
To turn that cooker off, I be the girl them sugar, I be the man them sugar. You need to calm down, fella. I make you hot Mayweather, which leg will knock you out, my brother.
How rugged is it? I'm not entirely sure. Let's toss it around. I don't want to break it because I think it's gonna be a nice toy to keep around for a little bit and then pass it over to some kind of family member that has kids. So here I'm showing you on the webpage that it has been fully funded, so they are going to get these out. And if I do have a viewer's discount code, so if you're watching this video, you can click in the description and maybe get a discount off of this little toy. How far will it go? It didn't want to fall off the table. It did seem like it was around this far that it wanted to work around with. Obviously, if you use a dance robot with this dancing moves, it's going to use more battery, but if you use it as a just portable speaker, you're going to get a lot longer battery worth. There you guys have it. If you want one for yourself, you already know what to do. Thank you, DanceBot team, for sending this in to, review for my viewers. I just wanted to showcase this cool little product here in case you guys were looking for something similar or cool ideas to gift around. It's really loud. It doesn't have a lot of bass in it. If anybody's in a big living room, they're going to hear this and you're gonna say, kids, turn it down, because it really does get loud. It's pretty cool. I like it. What do you guys think? Anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you guys next time. Later.
Whoa, don't fall. Why are you doing that?